Hey, thanks, Melinda. Chief Meteorologist Catherine Thompson here. As far as the weather is concerned, we've kind of seen a mixed bag of it, especially this afternoon. A lot of us have stayed quiet, but we've seen a lot of clouds moving in, especially compared to earlier in the week. And we have seen some showers and storms, too, that are dumping some heavy rain in spots. We've been warm, we've been muggy. You can tell that we've got the moisture in the air for rain. Temperatures right now are a mixture of 70s and 80s, depending on where we've had the rain. You might have some rain-cooled air where you are. Lewisburg, for instance, we've had some showers. They're at 72. Bluefield, though, at the Mercer County Airport, still not much activity. We're at 81 degrees. So at least when we get these downpours, we get some relief from the heat. But there's the potential for some flooding, too. There is still a flash flood warning out for central Fayette County. This will include areas like Babcock State Park, Thurmond, Oak Hill. If you're in any of those areas, you could definitely see some high water. Right now, that warning is in effect until 7:30. I could see that being taken down earlier, but just in case, watch those creeks, streams, poor drainage areas. You could definitely see some high water. We had a downpour earlier come out of a storm in Fayette County that produced 1.5 inches of rain, if not some locally higher amounts in some isolated spots. So again, just keep your wits about you. Not everyone is seeing those downpours like that, but they will pop up, hit or miss on occasion throughout the rest of the evening. Again, they're not very widespread, but where we have seen some rain, it's coming down pretty hard at times. So have the umbrella. Be careful on the roads if you run into one of those downpours. Of course, the situation with the rain well to our south is way worse than it is here. We were tracking Hurricane Elsa yesterday. Now it's a tropical storm. Soon it will weaken into a tropical depression, an area of low pressure, but very intense bands of rain, at least 50-mile-per-hour winds at times, the gust anyway. Sometimes higher than that. That's what parts of Florida have seen over the past 24 hours. The storm now moving into Georgia, and it will now set its sights in the near future, the next few days, on the Carolinas, eventually pushing all the way up into New England, and it could actually redevelop after it gets out of North Carolina, out of the Delmarva region. It could actually hit some warmer water along the Gulf Stream and re-strengthen again. So an interesting storm. The good news is, for us, it looks to stay to our southeast. We're not taking that direct impact, but it will be interacting with a separate system. This cold front moving in from the west, that squeezes out that high pressure that's kept us relatively quiet the past few days, and we get a lot more moisture. That front sliding underneath that warm and humid tropical moisture. That's going to bring wider spread showers and storms, especially tomorrow afternoon and evening. So they're going to be wider spread. Again, though, winds, they're going to be hugging the coastline, those 50, 60-mile-per-hour winds. So don't worry about winds here. At max, I'm thinking the yellow 20, 25-mile-per-hour gust as some thunderstorms flare up every once in a while. But nothing major as far as tropical storm force rain or wind here. It looks to stay mainly to our east. So to recap, looking at Futurecast, kind of giving you a visual, just a few more showers and storms overnight tonight. We're going to hover in the 60s. Tomorrow, we're talking about afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Again, a bit more numerous for Thursday, but still not a washout. We'll get a few more of those Friday morning, too. At least we're going to be cooler with these clouds around and the showers. I'm not going to guarantee a completely dry weekend after that, but it's, again, not a washout any day. Chance of severe weather low, chance of flooding low. At least we can keep that going for us.
Yeah, and I'm glad you said it's not going to be a washout, Catherine. I know we've had some viewers call concerned about that and how else is going to be impacting
Exactly.
us.
Much worse at the coast, so check on your friends in the Carolinas, Georgia, stuff like that.
Yeah, make sure they're good. Thank you so much.